Good morning students. Welcome again into the 12th science chemistry class. Now we are learning the chapter number 4, that is the thermodynamics. Into that, in the last lecture we learned about the bond enthalpy. Now let us learn the numericals, that is the problems based on the bond enthalpy. Now this is the problem number 4.12. Now what is given in problem 4.12? See there. Calculate the standard enthalpy of N2H4 gas plus H2 gas gives twice NH3 gas. If delta H0 of NH bond is equal to 389 kilojoule per mole. Again they given us delta H0 of H dash H, that means hydrogen bond, that is 435 kilojoule per mole, and the bond enthalpy of N dash N bond N, that is NN bond, that is equal to 159 kilojoule per mole. Now we have to calculate the, that is delta reaction H of this reaction. Now how it is calculated? We know the formula. In the last lecture I told you, in this formula delta formation H or delta reaction H is equal to summation of delta H0 of reactants minus summation of delta H0 of products. Now this formula is here. We have to subtract the standard enthalpy of products. That is the bond enthalpy. Standard bond enthalpy, summation of standard bond enthalpies of products from that of the reactants. Generally we always subtract the reactants enthalpy from the products, but this, to calculate the bond enthalpy, we have to subtract the products bond enthalpy from the reactant bond enthalpy. That is very important, student. Now see here this reaction again I written in this way. Now how many NN and NH bond are there? This N2H4. Now see here again this reaction is written as, now N2 means N bond N, and there are the two hydrogen atoms in between the two nitrogen atoms. That means here totally 1 NN bond and 4 NH bond are there. Now here H2 is there. Now here 1 HH bond in the H2 gas. What is the product? Twice NH3. So 2 and NH, NH, NH. That means there are totally 6 NH bond in the product, because there are the 2 molecules of ammonia. In one molecule 3 NH bond. So in 2 molecules 6 NH bond. Now we have given the bond enthalpies. Now only subtract the values into the formula. What is the formula? Delta H0 is equal to summation of enthalpies of reactants minus summation of enthalpies of products. Now the reactants are here. How many NH bond? 4 NH bond. So I write here in the square bracket 4 into delta H0 of NH. Here we substitute the value of this delta NH, that is 389 after this step. Again what is there here? Also 1 HH bond. So plus delta H0 of, here is the 1 NN bond. First 4 NH bond, 1 NN bond. So I write here the delta H0 of NN bond, and again 1 in the reactor HH bond. So here I write here delta H0 HH. Now here is the square bracket completed, minus enthalpies of products. Now in the product there are 6 NH bond. So minus 6 delta H0 of NH. Now here if you see clearly that there are the 4 NH and 6 NH. remains as it is, and by subtracting these 6 NH bond from the 4 NH bond, remaining will be the minus 2 NH bond, because here is the minus sign. Now see student, on the blackboard this step, next step, how it will be there. Now see in the next step. Yes. Now the next step is delta FH0 is equal to this delta H0 again remains as it is. Delta H0 HH also remains as it is, and 4 minus 6 becomes 2 delta H0 NH. Now this is simpler step we obtain. Now only substitute the values. Now the NN bond have the bond enthalpy 159 kilojoule. HH bond have the bond enthalpy 435 kilojoule, and NH bond have the bond enthalpy 389 kilojoule. If we add these two quantities, that becomes 594, and on multiplying this 389 by 2, we obtain 778. But here is the minus sign. Now this is the large quantity and this is the small quantity. So after subtraction from this 778, this 594, we obtain the 184. But as this is the large quantity, so the sign is negative. So delta FH0 for this reaction is minus 184 kilojoule. Now in this way student, there are the numericals in the examination. Now see the second, that is the similar formula problem for that. That is second problem on the bond enthalpy, the enthalpy change of the following reaction. Now the enthalpy change of this reaction is already given us. What is the reaction? CH4 gas plus Cl2 gas gives CH3Cl gas plus HCl gas. And the heat of reaction is given, that is 104 kilojoule. And they ask us to calculate CCl bond enthalpy. That means CCl bond enthalpy's value is not given. Now, which bond enthalpy's value are given? They given us the bond enthalpies of bond CH, that is equal to 414. The bond CCl, that is 243, and the bond HCl 431. Now let us calculate the bond enthalpy of CCl bond. Now how it is calculated? Let us see. First take the screenshot and write down the notes, and then we will solve this problem number 4.30. Okay, now let us solve the problem 4.13 again. Now see student on the blackboard. Now we are solving the problem number this 4.13. Now what is given in this problem? This reaction is given here, and the enthalpy of reaction is also given minus 104 kilojoule. Minus 104 kilojoule. Again they have to calculate us, told to calculate us CCl bond enthalpy. And the bond enthalpies of this CH bond, CCl bond and HCl bond are given. Now how is our formula? Delta R reaction. Delta reaction H0, that is enthalpy of reaction, is equal to summation of enthalpies of reactant minus summation of enthalpies of products. Now here reactants are, see here, these 4 CH bond are there, and here again 1 CCl bond is there in the reactor. So I write here in the bracket 4 H0 of CH bond plus delta H0 enthalpy of Cl bond minus enthalpies of product. What are there in the product? 3 CH bond, again 1 CCl bond and 1 HCl bond. So I write here in the another bracket minus 3 enthalpy of CH bond, because there are the 3 CH bond in CH3Cl, and 1 CCl bond, and again there is the HCl, so 1 HCl bond minus plus this one HCl bond. Now solve this. After solving, what we obtain from the 4 CCH bond, 3 CCH bond, if we subtract, then only one CCH, one CH bond is only remaining. So 4CH minus 3CH bond becomes 1 CH bond. So I write here delta H0 of CH bond plus this one CCl bond remains as it is, enthalpy of CCl bond, minus now this 3CH bond get cancelled, only this minus enthalpy of CCl bond is there, minus enthalpy of CCl bond, because we are solving this bracket also. Again this again becomes minus, because minus sign is that is outside of this bracket. So minus H0 of 1 HCl bond. Now this can be written as HCl. Okay. Now substitute the values. What is the value of CH bond enthalpy? 414. So I write here 414 of this 414. Now this is the value of the CH bond, 414. The value of CCl bond is 243. See here, 243 CCl bond value minus this we have to calculate CCl bond enthalpy. So write as it is this and minus 431, because bond enthalpy of HCl is 431. Now if we solve this, now this minus 104, which is the enthalpy of the reaction, comes here and becomes plus 104, and this minus delta H0 CCl goes there, it becomes plus delta H0 CCl. So this delta H0 CCl bond enthalpy is equal to this 414 plus 243. Now this